In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and set up Surfshark VPN on your Android phone. Before we start, if you want the fastest, most secure VPN for Android, make sure to use the link in the description to follow along with this tutorial and get Surfshark at a great price. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Surfshark VPN. If you can't find it there, don't worry. You can also install it using the official APK from Surfshark's website. Using the link in the description ensures you get the authentic app safely. Once you have the app, tap Download or install the APK. After the installation is complete, open Surfshark and you'll see two main options: Create Account and Log In. If you don't have a Surfshark account yet, tap Create Account and set up your account using your email and a password. If you already have an account, tap Log In and enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, the Surfshark app will open, showing you the main dashboard. The first option you'll notice is Locations. Here, you can see servers in different countries. To connect to a server, just tap the country you want. For example, let's select Sydney, Australia. The app will start connecting, and once connected, you'll see the Disconnect button appear, which confirms your VPN is active. If you want a static IP, you can select the option from the Locations menu and choose the country you want. This gives you a fixed IP every time you connect, which is useful for secure logins or streaming services. Surfshark also has a kill switch feature. If you enable it, your phone's internet will automatically stop working if the VPN disconnects, preventing your IP from being exposed. This is perfect for maintaining privacy and security at all times. And that's it. Your Android phone is now protected with Surfshark VPN, giving you private browsing, secure connections, and the ability to access content from anywhere in the world. Don't forget, use the link in the description to download Surfshark VPN at a great price.